What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SPCE stock. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are now and why we are here. Then I will show you some major catalysts that might drive the price of this stock up. And we will continue with the technical analysis, where I will show you what should we expect from the price in nearest future. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time promo offer from Webull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So let's continue with the price chart. And I made my previous video right here at this point, right below $60 mark. And I've told you that we have a multiple bearish signs. And that's why I've told you not to buy at this point, right below $60 mark. And my thoughts was that we might have a retracement. And in the worst case scenario, we might hit $60 mark and then we will have a pullback. And basically it happened. From $60, from the very top, the stock is down for about 28% and the current price is at the level of around 25%. And let me show you interesting point. We are on my previous video and here is the only comment that I had so far on this video, and John Pedersen said, "Sorry, not going to listen to you. I'm going all in, baby." Well, it's up to you guys. You and only you are responsible for your money, but for now I have to say that you are down for about 25%. It is sad. So, and let's continue with some fundamental news. First of all, let's start with the company profile. And on Seeking Alpha you can read this. Virgin Galactic Holdings, an integrated aerospace company, develops human spaceflight for private individuals and researchers in the United States. So, you already know what is this company about. And the main reason why we have this recent spike in price for more than 26% and then we have exactly the same decline in price is this news. We are on CNBC.com and this article was published on July the 2nd and it's titled "Virgin Galactic shares surge and then pull back as Branson aims for lead in billionaire space race." And let me quote you key points. Virgin Galactic shares surged but then lost momentum and pulled back on Friday, after the space tourism venture announced its next spaceflight test will carry founder Sir Richard Branson. 2 pilots will fly spacecraft VSS Unity, carrying Branson alongside 3 Virgin Galactic employees, planning to launch on July 11th. The launch marks an attempt to beat fellow billionaire Jeff Bezos. The latter announced in May that he will launch on his company Blue Origin's first passenger spaceflight on July 20th. And it is very important and very interesting article. I put the link on this article in the description as well, so you will be able to read it by yourself. But let me quote you one more point, several points I have to say. Next flight will be the 4th development spaceflight to date, as the passengers are testing the cabin of VSS Unity to prepare for when the company plans to begin flying tourists and researchers in early 2022. The company has about 600 reservations for tickets on future flights, sold at prices between $200,000 and $250,000 each. Branson announced in a video on Thursday that when we return from space, I will announce something very exciting to give more people the chance to become an astronaut. And from the fundamental standpoint, from the standpoint of long-term holders, it is very good because so far it is the most promising industry and we have best people, in my opinion, with the best companies. I mean Virgin Galactics, I mean SpaceX, and I mean Blue Origin. And these 3 companies have the most interesting competition between them for now. And let's continue right here. After completing its first spaceflight test to date on May 22nd, Virgin Galactic leadership said there were 3 more specific spaceflight tests remaining. The first was scheduled to carry 4 passengers to test the cabin, the second was planned to carry Branson, and the third and final test would fly members of the Italian Air Force for professional astronaut training. But Branson's announcement on Tuesday represents a reorganization of that schedule, making his flight the next on deck. The rescheduling also came after Virgin Galactic received a key FAA license that cleared the company to fly passengers on future spaceflight. And let's continue right here. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article also was published on July the 2nd. And it's titled, "Did Virgin Galactic move up flight to beat Jeff Bezos? Absolutely not," says CEO. And let me quote you these bullets. Virgin Galactic did not alter the timeline for its upcoming test flight with billionaire founder Richard Branson on board in order to beat Jeff Bezos and his Blue Origin rival into space, according to Virgin Galactic CEO Michael Colglazier. Colglazier told SNBC that Virgin Galactic had long planned a test flight with Branson on board, and the decision to fly on July 11th was based on technical factors. Asked specifically whether the flight was scheduled to beat Bezos' July 20th launch, Colglazier answered, absolutely not. And I think this is the most interesting competition that we can see for now. It is the race to the space. And next one, the Virgin Galactic CEO explained that the company had completed its technical flights and the next two test missions would be based on improving the cabin experience for people taking the trip into space. Branson was given his choice as to which flight to join, and he picked the one on July 11th, Colglazier said. And I think it is very interesting who will be the first, and basically all of us, I mean humans, will benefit from this race. And I have to say that the investors will benefit from this race as well. So let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, as you can see, we have this decline, as I already mentioned, and let me show you where we are with this decline, what levels did we hit. And to measure this movement, I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of entire wave to the top of entire wave. And what do we have here? We hit exactly 0.382 level. And we have this level as a major support for now, and we bounced twice from this level. And we can break it. I have to say we have a possibility to break it to the downside, and next level might be 0.5, where we might have next potential accumulation point. And for those of you who measure this movement not from the very bottom, but from this level, as you can see, we also have very good level of 0.618, 0.65. So basically, it doesn't matter how you measure this movement so far. And I have to say that, in my opinion, better to do it from this bottom. But I know that some people make just swing low and swing high for the measurement. And despite of all these discrepancies, we have a strong confluence level of 0.65, 0.618, and it is a confluence level with 0.382 from the bottom to the top. And I think from this point we have a rather good possibility to go up. But in my opinion, if this is just the beginning of the simple zigzag, it is a retracement from the very top to the lowest point of this wave, I think we might have one more leg to the downside. And to measure this movement, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this top to this bottom and to the top of the retracement. And usually this retracement might hit one-to-one extension level. So the wave A, let me show it to you right here, the length of A wave might be the same as the length of the wave C. And that's why we might hit these levels. And basically from this point we might also have a possibility to go up. And what should you do if you want to invest in this company? Of course, you have to do your own due diligence. And then you can accumulate your position, let me show you, along these levels. In my opinion, these levels are the key points where we might land our next potential movement. And if we will go lower, you can accumulate your position at 0.6, at 0.5 levels, and right here at 0.618 and 0.65. But also, we have very good possibility with the total bullish sentiment of this market, of this stock, to go up from this point. And that's why your first potential accumulation point might be at opening hours right here at the level of 0.382. Next one right here at 0.5. And potential third one is right here. And this is how you can ladder your buys down, and this is how you can achieve more attractive average price. So, with that being said, subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!